Bonjour YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Nadej. If you are interested in seeing how I got these wonderful, luscious butterfly locks, stay tuned. So this is the hair that I am using. I use one full pack and one bundle of the second pack. Shine and Jam to help keep those parts nice and crisp. Edge Control. Some neat braid, which I use to lay down the roots of the hair. A crochet hook, a comb, something to lay your edges with, of course, and some scissors. This is the braid pattern that I did. I have 48 braids in my hair. And I went ahead and installed some locks off camera to give me a head start. So moving on to our first example here, you're gonna start with stretching out the hair, and then we are going to insert the hook through that braid, place the hair through the hook, close the latch, and then you're going to pull that through that braid gently, and then you're going to unhook the crochet needle, release the hair, and then you're going to only pull one side of the crocheted hair through. One piece of the hair will remain with the braid or twist, and the other piece will be doing the wrapping. You want to make sure that you're wrapping the root at least 2 to 3 times to add some security, and also to cover that braid or that rubber band depending on which method you are using. And after you wrapped a few pieces at the top, you're going to begin doing your butterfly loops. You're going to place your thumb through the hair and then turn your thumb up. You're then going to use the strand of hair that you're doing the wrapping with, wrap above that loop you just created, and then you're going to wrap below the loop that you just created. And that's going to lock that loop into place. And you can do this as many times as you want throughout the lock. I typically do about 2 or 3 per lock. Get down to the bottom, you're going to turn your palm up and begin wrapping back up to seal it into place. And again, you're going to start by stretching your hair, and you're going to insert the crochet needle through the braid, attaching the hair, closing the latch, and then pulling the hair through, making sure to only pull one piece of the hair through the braid. You're going to pull the hair gently to the appropriate length that you would like. And then you're going to begin wrapping around the root a few times to secure it. You're going to place your thumb through the hair, then turn your palm up, wrapping above the loop and below the loop to lock it into place. Here I am again, placing my thumb through there, turning my thumb up, and then I'm going to wrap above my thumb, and then I'm going to wrap below my thumb. And you can wrap it at least 1 or 2 times just to make sure that the loops stay into place. And then begin wrapping it back up. And then the opposite piece, I will as well wrap it back up. But for this one here, I saw that there was a cute little curl that I wanted to keep. So I rolled the hair together to lock it, kept the curl, cut around the curls just to clean it up, and that was my butterfly. wrapping it all the way down. And then I'm going to begin wrapping the same piece of hair that I was wrapping down with back up. And then the remainder of the hair, I saw another cute curl. I'm going to pull away a piece of that curl to keep. The remainder of the hair, I will wrap it back up in the same direction as I was wrapping it back down. I will roll it in between my hands and then lock it into place. To clean up this curl here, and then you are left with this very cute curl, and I love it because it looks a lot different than what others butterfly locks looks like. So here's another example. I'm going to be quiet so you guys can watch it. This is the final lock, and I am so happy. This took way longer than I anticipated, and that is only because I was recording for you all and I wanted to make sure I had some really good shots. I really love this hairstyle. It's so light, it's so fun and flirty, and it's just cute. Don't be afraid to borrow hair if you run out. That is a-okay. Then I'm going to begin wrapping the hair back up. Once I run out of this piece, I'm going to wrap the other side back up as well. And of course, I had to go find another cute curl. So I'm going to pull that out and add a little twist to these butterfly locks. Here I am looking cute, and those edges, girl, yes. I love this hairstyle. Clearly, I am feeling myself. I went ahead and installed some jewelry that I got from the beauty supply store. That was only $2.99, and it just brings out the look, and it is super cute. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Until next time, bye.